Okay, so for this one, we want to identify what kind of angles they are. So the first one says angles 1 and 3. And from before, we learned that those are corresponding angles. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going to write corresponding. And corresponding angles are congruent. Okay, corresponding, congruent. That's how we're going to remember that. Okay, next one, angle 2 and 5. I have angle 2 here, angle 5 there. If you remember, those look like they're at an x, and we have an angle on the top of the x and the bottom of the x. We learned a lot about these. These are called vertical angles. So angles 2 and 5 are vertical angles, and we learned that these are also congruent. Vertical angles are always congruent. Okay, so we're going to write that there. Next one's 6 and 7. Let's go find those up here. Let's see, angle 6 is right here. Angle 7 is right there. Hey, take a look at this. They are on the same side of the transversal, and they're both on the interior of these lines, inside of those lines there. So that's going to be same side interior angles. Same side interior. And then this is the only unique one that's not congruent. We said same side is supplementary. All those S's. Next one is angles 3 and 6. So let's go back up here. Let's look at angle 3 and angle 6. Again, both on the interior, but one is on top of the transversal, one is below, so that's alternating. So alternate interior. Alternate. Okay, thank you. Alternate interior angles, and they are also congruent. And then the last one's kind of similar. Angles 4 and 5 are alternating, but they're on the exterior, so that's alternate exterior. Alternate exterior. And they are also congruent. So everything should be congruent except the same side interior angles are always supplementary.